It's nice to meet you again, my dear students, in the second part of Unit 12, in which we are going to explain reading for fun and vocabulary for fun. And this will be on page 80 and 81. So please start opening your book on these pages to follow me up. First, we are going to speak about our lesson's objectives, and they will be as follows. As by the end of today's lesson, the student will be able to understand the main topic of reading a story or article he has already read. The second objective will be the student will be able to answer questions about the story he has already comprehended. And the third one is, and the student will be able to read the new vocabulary and use them in sentences of his own. Now, let's go to page 80 of the student book, in which we are going to finish this part about reading for fun, which is titled Reading Comprehension. And here we have a number of questions, 1, 2, and 3. Each one of these questions has 3 answers. You have to choose one of them, A, B, or C. The first question is, what is the main idea of the article? One of the answers is, why donuts became popular with sailors. B, how Hanson Crockett Gregory used donuts on his ship. C, how donuts got a hole in the middle. And I think the answer will be number C is the right answer. Second question in this group is, according to one story, what did Captain Gregory stick a donut onto? And you have to think and give me the right answer of one of the 3 here, A, B, C. And yes, you are right. The answer here is number A, the ship's wheel. Question number 3, according to the article, which story is true? Okay, get your time, try to think. Yes, you are correct. The answer is number C, we don't know. The next part of this lesson is the idea map, which will be seen on page 80, the same page, and we have here the 2 stories which the comprehension passage or our article spoke about. Where did the donut hole come from? Yes, the donut hole come from the story 1 or story 2. Story 1 says, when Captain Gregory needed to use both his hands to steer the ship, he stuck his donut onto. Yes, what is the words you are going to use to complete the first story? Yes, he stuck his donut onto the spokes. You are excellent. Story 2. Captain Gregory's mother used to put what in his donuts? Used to put nuts. Yes, his mother used to put nuts in donuts. But he couldn't stand, as we said before, he hated the nuts. And do what for the nuts? He pushed the nuts, or pushed them out of his donuts. I think you got the idea now, and let's go to the next part of our lesson. This part is vocabulary, and we divided the 10 vocabulary the lesson speaks about in two parts. Vocab 1 and vocab 2 will be on the next page. The first word we have here, donut, and donut, as you see here between two brackets N, it means a noun. This word is a noun, and it means a small round piece of bread, often in a form of a ring. Yes, it looks like a ring, and you know a ring is that thing we put in our hands. Example, I have a chocolate donut. This is the word donut is used in a sentence, as you see. Second, number 2 is the word treat. Treat is a noun which means a special food that tastes good. That treat may be like vegetable or something sweet. It is delicious in that meaning. Example, the restaurant services a special treat on Mondays, means a special kind of dishes. And number 3 is the word captain, and captain is also a noun, and the captain here means the sailor in charge of a ship is this man in the picture. Example, the captain asked his crew to leave the sinking ship. Number 3 or number 4 is used to, and used to is the word used is a verb followed by a preposition to, and it means that to happen regularly in the past. That means I used to do something in the past, but now I stopped doing this. For example, Sammy used to hiking but doesn't now. The last one on this page is the word hold on to. It means to keep something rather than losing it. Example, Fatima held on to her year 1 notebooks and looks at them sometimes. And this is an example. And hold on to means to catch strongly, as you see in this picture. Let's go to the next page about vocab, which is as follows. The word wheel is a noun, a piece of equipment that you turn to make a car or ship move, and this is the picture, a picture which expresses about a wheel. For example, keep your hands on the wheel as you drive. And we have here the word number 7 is solve, and solve is a verb, means to find or provide a way of dealing with a problem. For example, Faisal solved the problem at last, and solve here means to give an answer, as in this math problem. And let's go to the word number 8 in our today's lesson, which is stick. And the stick is a verb. It means to put something somewhere in a rather casual way. Example, he stuck his hands in his pockets, as in the picture here. He stuck his hands in his pockets. The word number 9 will be spoke, and we said that the word spoke means one of the metal bars, this one, bars that connect the outer ring of a wheel to the center. These bars connect the outer part to the center, and this is spoke. Example, Ahmed found the spoke from a ship's wheel on the beach near his house. Last word we have in our list for today's lesson is this phrase, can't stand. And can't stand greatly dislike, so the this phrase can't stand means dislike greatly or hated. He hate, to hate something, such as to say Salwa can't stand people shouting around her. And now, after finishing this part, we are going to give answers to the pages related to these two lessons that we studied in our student book in the workbook. So, for the first page regarding the vocab check is on page 73 of your workbook. Open your workbook on page 73 and you will find here this page which contains the new vocab we already studied, such as donut, captain, wheel, spoke, hold on to, used to, treat, solve, stick, can't stand, and we already know the meaning of all of these words and phrases. So please try to read these questions from, or these definitions regarding all of these new words from 1 to 10 silently, and to think of the right word which will be used for the definition mentioned here, and give the right answer by yourself, and then we will correct it with us together, or we correct all of these together now. Okay, I'm waiting. Let's go for the first one. Small round piece of bread, often in the form of a ring. Yes, I think this is the easiest one here. It will be donut. Yes, excellent you are. Used to and treat, solve, another words. Other words will be used for the next questions. The second one is a special food that tastes good. Yes, what is the right answer for this definition, or what will be written here? I think the word treat means special food, treat. Number 3, one of the thin metal bars that connect the outer ring of a wheel to the center. Yes, I am waiting for your right answer. Okay, good. Yes, the meaning here is the word spoke, one of the thin metal bars that connect the outer ring of a wheel to the center. Number 4 here in our list is greatly dislike, and we know that greatly dislike means can't stand. Yes, excellent, your answer is good. Can't stand means greatly dislike, or as we said, hate. Number 5, the sailor in charge of a ship. The sailor means the man who drives a ship, and this is, as we know, the, yes, you are right, the word capital is the right answer. Happened regularly in the past. Something was happening in the past, but now stopped is the word used to. Number 7, to find or provide a way of dealing with a problem. Yes, think, yeah, right answer is solve. To solve means to give an answer. To provide or a way of dealing with a problem. Number 8, to put something there in a rather casual way. Yes, okay, very good. Yes, this is the right answer, the word stick. And number 9, to keep something rather than losing it. Yes, you are right. Hold on to keep something rather than losing it. Hold on to means to catch strongly. And the last one in our list is a piece of equipment that you turn to make a car or ship move. What is the right answer in you think? If you are trying to give a right answer, I think it will be very easy, because this is the last word we have here, is the word wheel, a piece of equipment that you turn to make a car or ship move by using a wheel. Let's go to the next page, which we are going to answer in our workbook regarding unit 12. It will be page 74, and page 74 here has a list of words which we already studied. These words are: number 1, hold; 2, treat; 3, wheel; 4, solve; 5, captain; 6, stick; and 7, can't stand. He wants us here to give the synonym of each one of these 7 words. Synonym means the same meaning. The word synonym means the same meaning. So the word hold, the same meaning for hold is grasp or hide. Think carefully before giving the answer. Okay, you are right. The word grasp means hold. And we are going to use the word in a sentence of our own, as to say, my father hold my hand to cross the street. We are using the word in a sentence to be able to understand the meaning of this word correctly. Number 2, the word treat. What is the synonym of the word treat? The synonym of the word treat is special food or special person. Yes, we know from the story we read before that it means special food. So the answer is this, and this is the word treat in a sentence, as to say, tapule and hummus are my tasty treats, my tasty dishes. And the word wheel is third in our list. What is the synonym of the word wheel? Metal or rundle. Yeah, it is. I think the word rundle here is difficult in meaning for you, but it has the same meaning of the word wheel, rundle. And we have here the word wheel in a sentence, as to say, catch when you advising somebody while driving, catch the steering wheel hard as you drive. Number 4 is the word solve. As a synonym, the same meaning of solve is resolve or respect. Yep, you are correct. The same meaning or synonym for solve is resolve. And here is a sentence which uses the verb solve. He tries to solve the hard math problems. Yep. Let's go to number 5. The word captain. Captain means what? Means skipper or pilot. Yes, captain is the skipper, the meaning, because skipper means captain, and both of these words means the person who sail a ship. Captain Majid is one of my favorite cartoons. Let's go to number 6. The word stick. The same meaning is put. Stick means here put in a sentence. Ahmed always sticks his hands in his pockets. And the final or the last word in our list for today's synonym is can't stand. And can't stand, as we said before, means hate or dislike. And this is a sentence for the phrase can't stand to explain its meaning. My brother and I can't stand chili pepper. And by this we came to the end of our today's lesson. I hope you liked it and enjoyed, and it became understood for you. Thank you a lot for listening and paying attention. Let's meet, inshallah. We see you again in the next lesson.